And then there's Black Cat going, feed me. I want some food. Look at me. Sat here all pathetic and hungry. Ginger Cat's doing that? No, Ginger Cat's going, look at me. I'm cute. I'm sitting here so nicely. You're going to feed me. But don't get me wrong, if you head for the kitchen, I'll be straight after you.
What?
Oh, such a whingy wanker.
Anything else to say about the cat?
I don't know. No. Ginger Cat walks down the stairs nicely. Black Cat. Meow, about time too. About time you after fat lazy ass out of Erin's bedroom and fed me, isn't it? Does Ginger Cat do that? No, Ginger Cat's just like, oh, she's going to feed me? Oh, I'm worthy of some of her attention. Trot, 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 trot. Big smile and clicking back. Black Cat's